Hi, ho, everybody. Happy Monday. uh, we got the queue loaded up a bunch from yesterday. Oh, wow. There was a lot in here. I'm just going to remove them all. A lot of iShow speed and some video game trailers. Let's see. Starting fresh again. Let's have some ChatGPT stuff. Hey, what's up, anime? Hi, holy way. I we were hang out at a bar after the show uh at Planet At one day sometime last week, and we were trying to I don't remember. Oh, we were trying to make a new cats, but it was like turtles. Hold on. So let's uh write the synopsis for a musical about singing turtles. Uh, let the musical actually be about something bigger, like uh I did have a nice weekend. Yeah, nice relaxing weekend. Had some dinner over my parents, and then yeah. Just I like to have lazy days, especially when it's snowing. It's been snowing a lot in Michigan here, so uh yeah. Hope you as well had a good weekend. Write the synopsis for a musical about singing turtles. Let the musical actually be about something bigger, like um, like um, making your father proud, or the struggles of dealing with addiction. Let's get that. Okay, okay. I tried to seed it with a thing, but it took both of those. I kind of like that. Here we go. Sometimes formulating the question, you find your answer right away.
Singing Turtles is a musical about a group of turtles who are talented musicians. The story follows the journey of the lead turtle as he battles. Singing Turtles
Oh
is a
shit.
musical about a group of
Uh,
turtles who are talented musicians. The story follows the journey of the lead turtle as he battles his inner demons of addiction while trying to make his father proud. The turtles use their music as a way to escape their problems and find solace, but eventually they must confront their issues head-on. Through uplifting songs and powerful performances, the turtles learn to come together as a family and overcome their struggles.
okay.
In the end, they realize that the true key to success and happiness is finding inner strength and self-acceptance. Singing Turtles is a touching tale about the power of music, the importance of family, and the fight against addiction.
All right. I guess there we go. There's our synopsis. Please give me 10 alternate names for the musical. Okay, some of these are pretty good.
Harmony in shells, the tune within, rhythms of the reef, the sound of the sea, siren song, under the waves, turtle tunes, melodies of the marsh, the voice of the turtles, oceanic odes.
Harmony in shells, oceanic odes. Those are okay. I'm gonna regenerate if I remember any of them. Okay, these are
Turtle tunes, the shell shockers, under the sea beats, melodic turtles, the harmonious herd, rhythmic reptiles, the singing squad, turtle power ballads, the turtle troubadours, siren songsters.
I mean, I want it to be not. I want turtle to not be in the title. I feel like. All right, here we go again.
Turtle tunes, the shells of hope, under
Shells
the
of
sea
Hope.
serenade, melody of the turtles, beat of the shell, sea sun sounds, rhythms of redemption, harmony in the hollow, turtle power, the musical, aquatic rhythms,
Okay.
a turtle's tale.
Beat of the shell or the shells of hope. I like the shells of hope. I don't know what. Straight out of hell, straight out of the shell. The shells of hope. Please list the song titles for the shells of hope. All right, here's the songs. Okay, all right. Inspired by the synopsis. Here we go.
The power of music, breaking the shell, father's pride,
Father's
addicted
Pride
to
is
the
a-
beat,
it's a banger.
under the sea blues, finding home, turtle together, my own hero, the battle within, a brighter tomorrow.
Okay. The battle within, yeah, clearly that's like right before the turtle's darkest moment. Please cast. Well, I guess you can't really cast. Please write the opening scene and the lyrics for The Power of Music. What's up, Federico? We're doing a turtle musical called The Shells of Hope, which is about a bunch of singing turtles that have to overcome their addictions and one turtle who has to make his father proud. And we're generating the opening scene here. So we're generating the first song and the opening scene of the musical here. Oh boy, here. Ooh, this might be too much for it, but wow, this is still going. Okay.
Opening scene. The stage is dark, and the sound of the ocean can be heard.
Ooh.
Suddenly,
Sounds
a
like a bad
single
Hallmark
turtle
movie.
emerges
Yeah,
from
it
the
could be.
darkness, walking towards center stage. He begins to sing.
Okay, here we go. This is gonna be all
Lyrics
one.
for
Oh,
The
shit.
Power of Music, Verse 1. I'm just a turtle trying to make my way in a world that's tough. But I won't sway, I've got a gift. A voice from the sea, a melody that sets my soul free. Chorus. The power of music, it lifts me up, gives me the strength to rise above with every note. I feel the beat, the power of music can't be beat. Verse 2. I sing for my family. I sing for my friends. I sing for a world that
Didn't
needs to
expect it
mend
to
with
be a
every
block of
word.
text, but
I let my voice soar, a song for all. Forevermore. Chorus. The power of music, it lifts me up, gives me the strength to rise above with every note. I feel the beat, the power of music can't be beat. Bridge.
just
It's a symphony,
saying lyrics
a
to
sound
song
so
is
grand, a
very
harmony. that makes me stand. It's a fire that burns bright inside. The power of music will never subside. Chorus. The power of music, it lifts me up, gives me the strength to rise above with every note. I feel the beat. The power of music can't be beat. Outro. So let your voice be heard, let your song be sung. With the power of music, you'll never be done.
Okay, you'll never be done. Oh my god. The power of music, you'll never be done singing. You'll always have another song to sing. That makes it seem like that could have a glass half full, glass half empty. I'm taking it as like I can't stop singing. It's a problem. I'll never be able to stop singing. My life is all song and dance. Please create a cast list with character names and descriptions. Sorry. We need some like sounds of the ocean or something. Hold on, let me youtube.com. Oop. Ocean sounds. Underwater sounds. There, can you hear that? Really put you in the mood here. All right, let's get it. All right. Here's the cast list for the...
Cast list. Leo, lead turtle, a talented musician who is struggling with addiction but determined to make his father proud. Raphael, friend turtle, a loyal friend to Leo and fellow member of their musical group. Donnie, tech-savvy turtle, the brains behind the group, responsible for managing the sound and technical aspects of their performances. Michelangelo, party turtle, the life of the party, always bringing a fun and lighthearted energy to the group.
Now it's become a Teenage Mutant
Splinter,
Ninja Turtles
father
musical.
figure, a wise and caring figure who serves as a mentor and father figure to the turtles. April, human friend, a teenage girl who befriends the turtles and helps them navigate the human world.
I don't
Shredder,
want it to be the Teenage
antagonist,
Mutant
the
Ninja
main
Turtles.
villain who tries to sabotage the turtles and their music. Casey Jones, Allie, a tough
Nah.
guy with a soft spot for the turtles,
This is
who
funny.
helps them in their fight against Shredder. Vern Fenwick,
This is
manager,
just
a
we can't-
fast-talking
we're not
promoter who
stealing the
tries
cast
to
of
manage the
Teenage-
turtles
I
in their
want
music
an
career.
original cast
The
of
Foot
lovable
Clan,
turtles
Shredder's
that
henchmen,
sing.
a
They
group
don't
of
do
menacing
ninja
villains
stuff.
who serve as Shredder's accomplices.
None of the turtles in my musical are doing any sort of fighting or choreography. They are all singing, normal turtles, slice of life turtles. Uh-oh. Hold on, I gotta log back into OpenAI. The Turtles did have a concert in the 90s. Yes, I am familiar. I remember seeing the horrific guys in bodysuits and where the mouse didn't really move. It's just bad idea all around. How many nightmares did those off-brand turtles? I mean, I guess they were technically supposed to be official TMNT. Shredder sang about hating music. Why would you even have Shredder in the band? Okay, please create a cast list. Oh, okay, here we go. There we go. Now, okay, it's more musical now. It just took another. Now we're getting if they're tenor, baritone, or alto, or soprano. Okay. It's not generating the names, but it's generating better than just stealing the cast of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Hold on here.
Lead turtle, tenor, a talented turtle who is struggling with addiction, but has a passion for music.
Okay.
Father turtle, baritone, the lead turtle's father who is proud of his son's musical abilities but is concerned about his addiction.
Oh, he's already proud.
Best friend
Well, I didn't
turtle,
know.
alto, the lead turtle's closest friend who
That's
is
like a
supportive
secret.
and always there for him. Love interest turtle, soprano, a beautiful turtle who the lead turtle falls in love with, but struggles with his addiction to pursue a relationship. Mentor turtle, bass, an older turtle who takes the lead turtle under his wing and helps guide him towards recovery.
Okay.
Supporting turtles, chorus, a group of turtles who make up the supporting cast and sing backup in the musical numbers.
I like if. Wouldn't that be weird if it was just you never learn the lead? It's just lead turtle. They never say, "Hey, hey Frankie." It's always, "Hey lead turtle." All right, this is much better. It's an outline for a little loosey goosey with the. Do I want to regenerate one more time and see if I can get names and? Let's try it. Let's try it. We always got it preserved. No, it went right back to Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Okay, okay. Going back. We'll stick with lead turtle. At least it's not a TMNT. Exactly, exactly. Please write. Please create character names for the following roles. For the roles. Okay, okay, here we go. We got some names.
Lead turtle, tenor, Max.
Okay.
Father turtle, baritone, Frank best friend turtle, alto, Sammy love interest turtle, soprano, Lily mentor turtle, bass, Duke supporting turtles, chorus, Jake, Molly, Ryan, Emma, and Hannah.
Okay. I'm just testing to see if something worked here. All right, let's redo this.
Lead turtle, tenor, Max. Father turtle, baritone.
That didn't fix it. Okay, well, that's all right. Okay, so please write the monologue. Please write a monologue for Frank to give Max that lets Max know his father has always been proud of him his entire life, despite his issues with addiction. here we go. This is the Oscar-winning moment for Frank the Turtle. It probably should be a song, but you know, sometimes you gotta, you know, right before a good cry song, you gotta, you know, just have a solid, grounded scene with turtles.
Frank, Max, my son, I have something to tell you. You may think I don't understand what you're going through, but the truth is, I do. I've seen the struggles you face, and I know how hard it can be. But let me tell you this, Max, I have always been proud of you, since the day you were born. You have a gift, a talent that so few possess. And even though you've been struggling
Hey,
with
what's up,
addiction,
Biz? Yeah.
it doesn't diminish the fact that you are one of the most talented turtles I've ever met. I may not always
Oh,
show
this
it,
is
but I
winning
am
a
always
Grammy.
there for you, cheering you on from the sidelines. Max, you don't have to be perfect to make me proud. I just want you to be happy, and to know that you have my love and support, no matter what. So don't let your addiction hold you back, don't let it define who you are. You are more than that, you are a son, a friend, and a true musician.
Okay, thanks, Dad.
And Max,
Oh,
when
yeah.
you're on that stage, singing your heart out, I see the true you. The turtle who has overcome so much, who has a voice that can move mountains.
Damn.
And that, my son, is what makes me proud. So go out there, and let your voice be heard. Show the world the power of music, and the power of you.
Okay. Let's see. When would this song be? One Turtle's Love That Lasts a Lifetime. Hank, coming to cinemas this summer. Yeah. Okay. Right. The lyrics for Father's Pride. This is gonna generate multiple EGOTs. So, Emmy, Grammy, Oscar, Tonys. We're gonna have a TV series. Let's see, you know, the album, Oscar, and a Tony. Wait, what's Tony's for musical, right? And then Grammys for album. All right, here we go. The heartwarming tale of Father's Pride. And it's probably going to be a wall of text again because I didn't fix it, but...
Verse 1. I'm searching for answers, I'm lost in the dark feeling like I've let everyone down, like I've left a mark, but then I hear your voice, and it's like a ray of light shining down on me, giving me the strength to fight. Chorus. You say you're proud of me, and I finally see that no matter what I do, you'll always be there for me with every word you say. I feel my heart lift your love and support. It's like a gift. Verse 2.
Thanks,
I've made mistakes, and I've had my fall, but you never judge me. You never judge at all. You see the best in me, even when I don't see it myself, and that's what makes you the greatest father of all. Chorus. You say you're proud of me, and I finally see that no matter what I do, you'll always be there for me with every word you say. I feel my heart lift your love and support. It's like a gift bridge. You're my rock, my guide, my shining star. With you by my side, I can go far. So here's a song, a thank you to you for being the father that I always knew. Chorus. You say you're proud of me, and I finally see that no matter what I do, you'll always be there for me with every word you say. I feel my heart lift your love and support. It's like a gift. Outro. So here's to you, my father, so dear, a love that's unconditional, and always here I am proud to call you my dad, and I'll love you forever, now and always.
Okay, a little bit too heavy on the love, you know. It is a, you know, father daddy pride song, but please what did we say the name of this thing was? The Shells of Hope. Okay. Please write reviews for opening night. I love you too, chorus. Yeah. Please write reviews for the opening night of The Shells of Hope. Let's see what the critics think. That's really, you know, if we get killed on critic reviews, we're never going to get that EGOT territory. But if we have some solid opening night reviews, we're on our way. You know, we're thinking really, really big here. All right, first review is in.
The Shells of Hope is a powerful and emotional musical that explores the struggles of addiction and the power of family.
Ah.
The cast is incredibly talented, with standout performances from the lead, Max, and his father, Frank.
The lead turtle.
The music is uplifting and the message is one of hope and love. I would highly recommend this show to anyone looking for an inspiring and moving night at the theater.
Wow. All right. I don't need to read any more reviews because they're all going to be as good as that one, right?
What a show! The Shells of Hope was an absolute delight from start to finish.
Can the AI generate the
The
next
singing
Disney film?
turtles brought the house down with their powerful and moving performances. The music was beautiful, and the lyrics were so touching. I was particularly moved by the relationship between Max and his father, Frank, which was depicted so well through the beautiful song, Father's Pride.
Ah, glad to know that that was the hit. I told you that was going to be the hit.
The Shells of Hope is a must-see musical that tells a story that is both personal and universal.
Well,
the characters are relatable, and the music is simply fantastic. The ensemble performances were fantastic, and the lead, Max, gave a standout performance that had the audience on their feet.
On their feet?
If you're looking for a musical that will leave you feeling inspired and hopeful, then this is the show for you.
All right, so far 3 for 3. Let's see if we can keep
I was blown away
going.
by the musical talent on display in The Shells of Hope. The singing turtles brought the story to life with their powerful vocals and emotional performances. The music was so uplifting, and the lyrics were so meaningful. The show also tackled the important issue of addiction, and did so in a way that was respectful and moving. I would highly recommend this show to anyone looking for a night of music and inspiration.
Hey, what's up, Celestial? All right, that sounded pretty good. Last review, are we going to be 5 for 5?
The Shells of Hope was a triumph of musical theater. The cast was fantastic, with each character bringing their own unique flair to the show.
Nothing but positive.
The music was so beautiful and touching, and the story was so inspiring. I was moved by the relationship between Max and his father, Frank, and the beautiful song, Father's Pride, was a highlight of the night.
Nice.
If you're looking for a musical that will touch your heart and lift your spirits, then this is the show for you.
Stop taking your kids to see Wicked and The Lion King and take them to see The Shells of Hope, a turtle musical with a lot of heart. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is... a game? Okay. Oh, wait, this is from yesterday. Oh.
Diorama Rama, my favorite school event, next to Hearing Test Thursday.
The Grapes of Wrath? I don't get it.
Here's the grapes, and here's the wrath.
2 more months until the Mario movie.
Yes,
I'll probably watch it, but
let's see.
I don't know. I'm a little bit
Older
mixed.
Has chosen Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Oops.
But this is just an empty box.
I begged you to look at mine first. I begged you.
Man, classic Simpsons. Hey, what's up, Hubble?
Diorama. I'll create a diversion, and you make the switch. Hey, everybody! Whoa, look at me! I'm over here! Turn this way right now! Hey,
Why am I streaming from the end of the Marvel movie? Yeah.
Stuff.
I don't know. I thought it looked cool. Have something going.
Bart, stop creating a diversion and get out of here.
Okay. Our next entry is The Telltale Heart from Allison Taylor.
I can't wait.
Such a classic Simpsons episode.
What is it?
It's the cow's heart.
They're trying to make a monkey out of you.
Allison, is this supposed to be some kind of joke?
I didn't do that. I made a different
Hey,
one.
what's up,
Oh,
Federico?
is that so, young lady? Well, where is this phantom diorama?
I don't know.
At least have the guts to take the blame, girl. You're only compounding your folly by lying about it.
Right on.
Young lady, cow hearts belong in a butcher's window, not the classroom. Well, maybe in an older student's biology classroom, but that's none of my business. Elementary school is where I wound up, and it's too late to do anything about that. Frankly, I'm starting to regret skipping you ahead.
You know, there's one thing. The scene, you always focus on Lisa's guilt, and if Lisa didn't feel guilty about it, she would have never came clean about it. But Bart's the psychopath who was just like totally okay with this. He had no shame. And he just was like, yeah, I would have ruined this fucking girl's life for my sister. No worries.
Right, here's Allison's real diorama. It got misplaced. Or so it would seem.
Oh, well, that changes everything. Let's have a look. Ready? Oh, a little sterile. No real insight. What do you think, Miss Hoover? This has been a very disappointing day. All right, on to Lisa Simpson.
Oh, yeah.
What you in now, Lise?
After the way I've behaved, I don't deserve to
Early
win.
Simpsons had a ton of
Well, this
references,
doesn't deserve to
Biz.
win.
What?
No, we're into the dregs. There's Ralph Wiggum's entry. Prepackaged Star Wars characters still in their display box? Are those the limited edition action figures?
What's a diorama?
Why, it's Luke. And Obi-Wan. And my favorite, Chewie. They're all here. What do you think?
I think it's lunchtime.
We have a winner!
Oh, that's amazing.
A turtle made it to the water.
Oh, hey, look at that.
A turtle made it to the water.
This will be the credit song for Shells of Hope.
Cruel. The cycle of life can be cruel. A turtle made it, what made it, turtle, what made it be cruel. A turtle made it, what made it, turtle, what made it be cruel. A turtle made it, what made it, turtle, what made it.
Is this a WoW quest? The turtle made it to the water?
What made it, turtle, what made it be cruel. A turtle made it, what made it, turtle, what made it be cruel. A turtle made it, what made it, turtle, what made it be cruel. A turtle made it, what made it, turtle, what made it be cruel. A turtle made it, what made it, turtle, what made it be cruel. A turtle made it to the water. A turtle made it to the water. The cycle of life can be cruel. The cycle of life can be cruel. A turtle made it to the water. A turtle
I need more context on this.
The cycle of life can be cruel. The cycle of life can be cruel. A turtle, what made it, what made it, turtle, what made it be cruel. A turtle, what made it, what made it, turtle, what made it be
Yeah, the Shells of Hope to Electric Boogaloo was really just a cash grab. It's a quest where you try to help a baby turtles get to the water. Well, it's very, yeah, on the nose. Beautiful. Now that's the kind of emotional response I want from the Shells of Hope.
Uncle Roger, help me.
One egg here in the mouth.
Why is she making ground beef look like it got human face?
Yeah, why?
Black pepper on here. Lay's chip.
Chip for what? No,
Chips
what?
on the raw burger?
Chip go in your frying pan? Why?
These you can crush up a little bit smaller. All right.
This weird stunt food that's for TikTok.
You making mashed potato with potato chip? This the whitest thing Uncle Roger ever see. Look at that meat. The
Oh
meat look
my
like it's screaming.
God.
Even the meat scared of you. Hiya. Oh no, leave the meat alone.
Oh, boy.
The meat been through enough. Oh.
These actually look like mashed potatoes, and you can't tell me they don't.
Are you blind or something? That look like mashed potato to you? Someone feed this shit to my ex-wife?
Why
How good
eggs?
does this look? Oh yeah. No, that is a burger.
Yeah, sure, that is burger. If you're making burger in Chernobyl.
Yeah, that was disgusting.
Hey, what gives?
Unseasoned ground beef
to
with
live in a world without
a
zinc,
bunch
Jimmy.
of eggs
Well,
in it.
now your
and
car has no battery.
wet
But
potato
I promised
chips.
Betty I'd pick her up by 6.
I
better
heard
give
some
her
of
a
these
call.
type of videos are weird fetish play. Ew. Yep, I can see it.
Sorry, Jimmy. Without zinc for the rotary mechanism, there are no telephones.
Dear God, what have I done?
Very
Again,
dark,
Jimmy.
Simpsons.
You see, the firing pin in your gun was made of, yep, zinc.
Come back, Zink! Come back! Come back! Zink! Come back! Zink! 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 What? Oh, it was all a dream. Thank goodness I still live in a world of telephones.
It reminds me of those
batteries,
ads,
handguns,
recent ads
and many
about like,
things made
without
of
oil
zinc.
and gas, you wouldn't
Gross,
have
he's
hair
picking his
dye.
nose.
It's like, okay, who are you fooling here?
I told them it was at the Hillside Aircraft Company, but it isn't. It's really at the Rutham Gobber Factory. They're the Gotham Rubber Factory.
It's so insulting to your intelligence, like, yeah, without oil and gas, we wouldn't be able to live. It's like, okay. Yeah, I know, but, like, I still hate you.
Back here live at the waterfront
yes.
with my friend the zombie.
Can you ask the AI to make Batman villains? Oh, here we go, yeah. I think I can.
I like turtles.
All right, you're great zombie and good times here at the waterfront.
That woman recoiled in horror like she was gonna catch something. Like, no, right? I don't want to catch whatever you have. Make a turtle villain, okay? Batman has the best villains. Please generate a list of Batman villains that do not. Please generate a list of Batman villains. Please create new villains that do not currently exist. All right, while that's generating. Oh, and please make one of them a turtle villain.
Start puffing, boy.
Hey, thanks for the follow, Emmy. Okay, here we go. I think it misunderstood my generation, so we might have to regenerate, but all right. Here we go.
Please generate a list of Batman villains. Please create new villains that do not currently exist.
Yep.
Please make one of the villains a turtle villain.
Yes.
The
Okay.
Riddler's daughter, the Clockmaker, the Firestarter, the Brain Hacker, the Shadow Master, the Ice Queen, the Mindbreaker, the Technovandal, the Turtle Terminator, the
Turtle
Chemical
Terminator.
Crook.
This is using ChatGPT, Emmy. Which is the open AI thing that everyone's going nutso-butso for. And I just have an extension that turns it into those like closed captions. The Techno Vandal, that's a pretty good one. The Chemical Crook is just clearly aping off of the success of Breaking Bad. Ice Queen, boring. The Brain Hacker, that's potentially interesting. Oh yeah, some Corey emotes. We could make a pig one too. You know what? I want one about please write the outline of a Batman episode. Starring featuring The Techno Vandal. And the Turtle Terminator. We gotta get the turtles in. While it's generating. Is the Turtle Terminator someone who terminates while being a turtle, or do they terminate turtles? I think it's a Turtle Terminator. It's a turtle that is a Terminator. I don't think it's a guy who just goes around with a hammer hitting turtles. Although that's pretty evil, too. I like turtles, yeah. Hey, thanks, sure. I don't know much English, but thanks for welcoming me. Hey, thanks for watching, yeah. If you like AI-generated stuff, we do a lot of that here, Emmy. I have a lot of stories on my YouTube. And, yeah. We just do a lot of AI-generated art and AI-generated stories. All right, here we go.
Introduction A. The episode opens with a series of heists and cyber attacks all over Gotham City, all seemingly linked by a common technological signature.
Oh.
B. The Dark Knight is on the case, trying to track down the mastermind behind the chaos. 2. The Technovandal A. Batman discovers that the Technovandal is behind the attacks, a former tech genius who turned to crime after feeling unappreciated for his contributions to society.
That's a good backstory.
B.
That's a good reason for
The
turning down
Technovandal
supervillainy.
uses his vast knowledge of technology to control various systems and wreak havoc on the city, taunting
What is
Batman
this?
and the police with cryptic messages and challenges. 3.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
The
It's
Turtle
okay, Biz.
Terminator A.
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
Tried
the
to
city is
copy-paste the
also
link.
plagued by a new supervillain known as the Turtle Terminator, a mutant turtle with exceptional strength and agility who has been hired by the Technovandal to serve as his enforcer. B. The Turtle Terminator proves to be a formidable opponent for Batman, forcing him to rely on his wit and cunning as much as his physical prowess. IV. The Final Confrontation A.
Okay.
Batman finally manages to corner the Technovandal and the Turtle Terminator in a high-tech laboratory, where they are using a stolen supercomputer to launch a massive cyber attack on Gotham.
Oh my god.
B. In a thrilling and intense final showdown, Batman must overcome the Technovandal's traps and outsmart the Turtle Terminator's brute force, ultimately saving the city from disaster.
It's a pretty bad
V.
combination
Conclusion
for Batman
A.
to fight.
The
That's not
Technovandal
proper
and the
script
Turtle
writing format.
Terminator are taken into custody,
That's just
and
an
Gotham
outline.
City can finally breathe a sigh of relief. B. As the episode comes to a close, Batman reflects on the lessons he learned and the challenges he faced, once again vowing to protect the city and its people.
Please write the scene. The Turtle Terminator is a cryptocurrency fraud? Maybe. Please write the scene where the Batman confronts the two in front of a supercomputer. Here we go. We're getting the scene that generates that. While that's generating here, I'll play this. Okay, that's a pretty good joke. Nice and short and to the point. All right, here we go. Batman versus what is his name? The Techno Vandal and the Turtle Terminator.
Batman stood in front of the massive supercomputer, surrounded by the flashing lights and humming sounds of the high-tech laboratory. The Technovandal and the Turtle Terminator were on the other side of the room, glaring at him with a mix of hatred and amusement. So, the Dark Knight finally shows up, said the Technovandal, sneering.
Finally.
I must say, you've been quite a nuisance,
been 20
trying to
minutes.
spoil all my fun. Fun? Replied Batman, his voice echoing in the spacious room. Is that what you call causing chaos and destruction across the city?
Oh.
It's art, my dear Batman, retorted the Technovandal. A masterpiece,
nice to meet
if
you,
I may
Emmy.
say so myself. And the grand finale
I'm
is
from
about to
Detroit,
begin.
Michigan.
He pointed to
United
the
States.
supercomputer, which was now displaying a map of Gotham City, with various parts of the city highlighted in red.
Oh, wow, this thing goes on.
You see, this city has been far too complacent, relying on technology and gadgets to
He's
solve
like a
all
lame
their
version of the
problems,
Riddler,
continued
yeah.
the Technovandal.
Technovandal is very derivative.
But what happens when that
But the Turtle
technology
Terminator,
fails? What
I guess, is
happens
just a
when I
turtle
take
version
control of it
Terminator.
all? Not if I have anything to say about it, said Batman, taking a step forward. The Turtle Terminator stepped forward as well, a snarl on his face. You're going to have to get through me first, Bat Freak, he said, cracking his knuckles. Bring it on, replied Batman, ready for the fight of his life. And with that, the battle was on. Batman used his gadgets and his training to dodge the Turtle Terminator's punches and kicks,
All right, we're getting
while
some
also trying to reach the
choreography.
supercomputer and stop the Technovandal's attack.
Oh my god, he's got to
The
fight the
Turtle
cyber attack
Terminator
and
was
these two at the same
relentless,
time?
however, and soon had Batman backed against a wall. Just as it seemed that all was lost,
Batman
pulled out a
and then
batarang
punching.
and managed to
He's
throw
doing,
it
like,
at a crucial
super
junction
hacking.
in the computer's mainframe, short-circuiting it and stopping the attack. The
Nice to meet you,
Technovandal
Abby.
let out a
Bye-bye.
scream of
Hope you
frustration
come back.
as the Turtle Terminator lunged at Batman with a final blow. But Batman was ready, and with a swift move, he managed to dodge the attack and take down both villains with a series of punches and kicks.
As he does.
As they lay on the floor, defeated, he looked down at them with a mixture of satisfaction and sadness. You could have used your talents for good, he said, as he placed the cuffs on them.
Yeah.
But instead, you chose to use them for evil. And for that, you'll pay the price. And with that, the scene was over, and Batman had once again saved the city from the clutches of evil.
Wow, there you go. If only you used your techno vandalism for good.
Yes, I'm having a good time. I feel alive.
Oh, this is amazing. Wow, I didn't realize there were so many Freddie Mercury.
And the world, I'll try.
Is this by the same guy even?
Body's aching. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, that's amazing.
And I can't get up. Can anybody help me? I see a little silhouette of a man. Hey, hey, hey! Help me! My time has come.
Oh, there we go.
Mama!
Perfect. That's amazing. And there's a lot of good Queen songs that you could base off of. That's very fun. Yeah. I hope that guy has many more of those because I want to see them. All right, let's get some more Batman villains. Please generate a Batman villain. Called please generate a Batman villain called Slippery Freddy. Please list his abilities and come up with a villainous backstory. All right, well, that's generating. Oh, hello, Animu. How did the press conference go about the moth incident? Poorly. I really almost instantly turned against the crowd. I don't remember what episode that or what stream that was. What the fuck? I was not expecting that. And yet I was. She turns into a fighter jet? Whoa, wait. I was really not. There's a short series of those? Okay. Wow, what the? All right. I guess sometimes you turn into a fighter jet. And yet, I could totally see that being an actual anime. I have no idea. Is it a parody that's only like 2 minutes long? One involves a girl literally drinking gas. What the? Oh, man. I want to see more. I don't know. All right, here we go. Slippery Freddy.
Slippery Freddy is a new addition to the Rogues Gallery of Batman villains.
Mm-hmm.
He is a slippery con artist who can talk his way out of any situation and manipulate those around him with his cunning words. Abilities: excellent liar and con artist. Skilled in deception and disguise.
Okay.
Exceptional charisma and charm.
Oh, it's like
Backstory:
slippery like
Slippery Freddy was once a small-time crook, known for his ability to talk his way out of sticky situations.
Okay, a different slippery.
But as he moved up the
slippery
criminal ladder,
situations.
he soon realized the true power of his skills, and began to use them to manipulate others and carry out larger cons.
Can I put that on my
He
resume?
quickly became one of the
Exceptional
most
charisma
feared
and charm?
criminals in Gotham
course.
City, as no one could ever seem to catch him or bring him to justice. He would always have a clever excuse or a slick trick up his sleeve, leaving Batman and the police scratching their heads. But Batman is not one to be deterred, and he knows that Slippery Freddy's true weakness is his ego.
Ooh, a good weakness.
The Dark Knight will stop at nothing to bring this slippery criminal to justice and restore order to Gotham.
Okay. Yeah. Slippery Freddy, pretty good villain. Although, kind of boring. A kind of boring episode for Batman. He just talks his way out of the situation. Not really action-packed villainy. Okay, at a gas station.
Yes.
She's stealing gasoline. Oh my god, terrifying. Okay. I mean, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I don't know. Even what the. I mean, good for wherever she's going. Why did she go to that gas station? Why did she steal gas? We'll never know, I guess. Here we go. Kind of a shorter stream, I guess. I'll watch this one more here. While I'm looking for somebody to raid.
Don't try it.
Okay, I found something already.
Waited online for 5 months for this sandwich I did. Worth it is.
You were the chosen one.
So good, this sandwich is. So good, in fact, that I would be able to tune out a very important plot moment.
God, it's weird every time you look at the scene.
Hate anyone who doesn't like this sandwich I do. Like a brother it is to me.
You were my brother, Anakin. I loved you.
Just so comical.
Smell something burning, I do. Must be this fire sandwich.
Jesus Christ. They brought those actors back for the Obi-Wan show, yeah.
Underestimate my
Oh,
power.
why is it playing again?
Don't try it.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna raid a drummer friend who I've never met in real life, but we have mutual friends, and he does a pretty entertaining drum stream. So shorter stream. Bye, Hawiwe, everyone. See you tomorrow for a longer stream. I know today's a bit short, but I got some stuff to do. But yeah, tomorrow I'll probably be on for a little bit. So see you tomorrow. Bye, Hawiwe. More AI generated wackiness tomorrow. Enjoy the stream with Dan. And here we go. Bye.